How do you stop your content from being copied and how do you protect yours? Whenever I get copied, I get happy. You know why? Because if I'm being copied, it means that I'm getting more popular, and that's perfectly fine. Those people who end up copying me or whatever, like let's say somebody is selling, you would see some of these guys who sell my courses for, you know, $500 and, $100 and things like that. Some of you would have seen these ads. I'm totally cool with that because one is I'm getting popular. Two is let those people come into my world and get their head fixed. Now, plagiarism, like somebody's ripping off my content, my view is this: I'd rather focus my energy on building new things than trying to fix something that I cannot change. I cannot change their attitude. I cannot change their mindset. If I get into this whole legal thing, pull your thing down and stuff like that, I'm wasting my energy. I could use my energy to improve my products, to improve my systems, to deliver better experience for my community. And that's what I prefer doing. And all these people who are copycats, plagiarizing, they will be exposed in due course of time. They can fool a few people, there's a thing, right? You can fool some people sometimes, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Something like that. There's a quote like that, right? So let karma do its work. That's how I look at it. And if they're going to benefit, let them benefit. It's okay. I mean, for me, my mentor, Vic, it hit me really hard. You can copy my website, you can copy my funnels, you can copy my landing page, you can copy my ads, you can copy every single thing of my systems, but you cannot copy me. You cannot copy my heart. You cannot copy my intentions. Bulb on, type bulb on in the comment box. So these people will be there. Let them be there. But we, in this tribe, this community, we focus on building the new. Because this kind of an experience cannot be copied. How many of you agree with me that this kind of engagement that we are having over here, this cannot be copied? The content can be copied, but those who people who go through that content, this is what has happened. Even in this, I've seen cases where people have tried to copy. There are some people who still copy what I'm doing, but the best people go and buy their courses, and then they find me, and then they see the marked difference in experience. So actually, they're helping get more people into this community also. So I want to really thank them for that. So bless them. Okay. So they've created an awareness of what the industry is all about, but ultimately people will gravitate towards where the real stuff is happening. Okay. So don't worry about all of that. You just focus on building yourself.